There was a time when bathrooms were not built in a hurry. They were not squeezed into floor plans or designed to follow trends that would change in a few years. They were built slowly, with care, and with a deep understanding of daily life. Cold mornings were expected, long evenings were planned for, and routines were respected, not rushed. Nothing was added simply because it looked new. Every surface, every fixture, every small detail existed for a reason. Old homes understood that comfort does not come from technology alone, but from thoughtful design. As the years passed, speed replaced patience. Efficiency replaced intention. And many of the bathroom details that quietly made life easier were left behind. Not because they failed, but because we stopped noticing how well they worked. Today on American Restored, we step back to rediscover 15 bathroom details old homes got right and modern ones forgot. 1. Warm floors. Long before bathrooms became cold, sealed spaces, floors were chosen with the human body in mind. Stepping out of a bath did not shock the feet or interrupt comfort. The surface beneath felt forgiving, especially during winter mornings when warmth mattered most. This wasn't luxury. It was awareness. Old homes understood that the day often began and ended here, and that comfort should meet the body gently, not abruptly. 2. Soft colors. Bathrooms once carried color quietly. Muted pinks, gentle greens, and soft pastels brought warmth and calm into a space used every day. These colors softened reflections, lightened moods, and made routines feel less mechanical. They weren't meant to impress. They were meant to soothe. Over time, neutrality replaced personality, and something human quietly disappeared. 3. Solid toilets. Before lightweight fixtures and hidden systems, toilets were built like dependable tools. Heavy, mechanical, and honest, they worked with certainty and rarely failed. You could hear them operate. You could trust their presence. They weren't designed to disappear into walls, but to serve without question for generations. 4. Crafted tiles. Long before speed mattered, bathroom floors were assembled patiently. Small tiles were placed one by one, forming patterns that rewarded attention and care. Each floor carried evidence of time and effort. It reminded homeowners that even the most private spaces deserved craftsmanship. 5. Deep tubs. Baths were once slow experiences. Deep tubs allowed the body to sink fully, easing tension and offering a rare moment of stillness after long days. These tubs weren't about efficiency or saving space. They were about restoration, comfort, and letting time slow down. 6. Standing storage. Medicine cabinets once stood openly, holding daily essentials within easy reach. Bandages, medicine, and personal items were visible and accessible, not hidden away. This openness simplified routines. Nothing was forgotten. Nothing was overcomplicated. 7. Open sinks. Pedestal sinks gave bathrooms room to breathe. Without bulky cabinets, spaces felt lighter and less confined, even in smaller homes. They sacrificed storage, but gained balance. The room felt calmer because it wasn't overloaded. 8. Razor slots. Old homes solved small problems quietly. Razor blade slots built into walls offered a safe, thoughtful way to dispose of sharp blades without clutter or danger. It was a permanent solution to a daily problem, designed once and trusted for decades. 9. Gentle heat. Before forced air systems, bathrooms stayed warm through steady, reliable heat. Radiators warmed the room gradually, filling the space with comfort instead of sudden blasts. Cold mornings became manageable. Heat arrived patiently and stayed consistent. 10. Pull lights. Lighting used to be simple and direct. A gentle pull of a chain brought light instantly, without confusion or controls. It worked because it was honest. Nothing more was needed. 11. Built soap. Soap once had a permanent place. Built into the wall, holders kept it dry, secure, and always within reach. This small detail prevented mess and maintained order without effort or thought. 12. Cup holders. Wall-mounted cup holders kept sinks clear and routines organized. Cups stayed clean, surfaces stayed dry, and mornings flowed smoothly. These small fixtures quietly improved daily life without demanding attention. 13. Clotheslines. Bathrooms once served more than one purpose. Retractable clotheslines allowed garments to dry naturally, saving energy and space. They appeared when needed and disappeared when not, working silently in the background. 14. Soft covers. Bathrooms once felt warmer, both visually and physically. Fabric covers softened cold surfaces and made winter mornings more comfortable. They reflected a time when warmth was considered part of good design, not an afterthought. 15. Framed mirrors. Mirrors were treated as more than tools. Ornate frames added character, craftsmanship, and care to even the most private spaces. They reminded homeowners that beauty belonged everywhere, not just in public rooms. Final thoughts. These bathroom details were never luxuries. They were solutions shaped by experience, patience, and everyday understanding. We gained speed. We gained convenience. But we lost balance. Looking back isn't about rejecting progress. Sometimes, it's about restoring the wisdom that once made daily life feel calm, intentional, and human. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to American Restored, because we don't just remember the past, we bring it back.